Hi, this is our operational and maintenance tips for our front loader washing machine, our condenser dryer, stacked with an additional slide out shelf. First of all, we'll start off with the capacity of the machine. This machine, being an 8 kilogram machine, can take roughly about 5-6 towels. First of all, we'll open up the door. I've pre-loaded the machine with about 6 towels there. I'm going to put the 7th towel in here. And that gives you an idea of the capacity, so you can get your hand in over the top like so. Once you've got your machine full, close the door. Now, next step, we've just loaded the washing machine. Next step is our powder or our liquid. Okay, so we open our pouch. In this case, we're using liquid. So 1 cap of liquid, and it goes into this main wash compartment here. There's our pre-wash, and over here is our fabric softener. Fabric softener, we'd also use a cap full if we wanted to use it. In this case, we're not going to worry about it. We're only using the main wash. Our cap full, close the door, select our program, and press start. Okay, maintenance on our front loader washing machine. First of all, we've got a lint filter here. To get into the lint filter, we open up this door. When we undo this one here, water will come out. So we put a tray underneath the machine. Every front loader has a lint filter. Okay, so we always put a tray under. We undo the cover, pull it out, and that's where we can clean our lint from around here. Sometimes screws get caught in here at the impeller. We can pull them out too. Put it back in. Once we've cleaned it, do it up, and that's that. Every 4 months, roughly. Now we've got this tag here is for our door release. So if you ever have a power blackout, pull this down and you can open the door. That way you can get your clothes out of there. We'll put it down now, and there we go. Door maintenance and front door sill maintenance. We wipe this down every so often to stop it from going mouldy. And when we're not using the machine, we just leave the door ajar. We've got the powder dispenser. This can also be cleaned. Simply open it up, push down on this little tab here, and it opens it up. We can clean any mould or any residue from soap from around here. Put it back in, like so, and push it, and that's our maintenance done. Okay, it's pretty simple to operate these condenser dryers. Press that button to open the door, load the machine, don't overload it. Very important not to overload it. Close the door, select your preferred program, and press start. When it's not in use, it's fine to have the door closed. Here's some maintenance tips for our condenser dryer. First of all, we've got a reservoir. Sometimes the machine might be plumbed in, so you don't need to maintain or empty this reservoir. In the case where it's not plumbed in, we simply pull the reservoir out and we empty it out into the sink. The machines have a sensor on them, so they tell you when that needs to be emptied. We've also got a couple more filters here. We've got one in the door that needs to be pulled out and cleaned regularly after every load. This one at the front here, at the front of the drum, you can quite visibly see where that needs to be cleaned. These do come out via these yellow tabs on this machine. And last but not least, we've got our condenser. We simply open that cover. There's a locking tab there. Another little door comes off, and then we've got our filter, our sponge filter here, which needs to be cleaned. These ones need to be cleaned probably every 3 months. Once we've done all that cleaning, we just simply put it all back. So, lock it off, and our door sits in. Our cover. Done.